From the slow, horse-drawn wagons to the fast, armored half-tracks, these are the vehicles that kept an entire army moving across continents. These are the machines that turned the German Wehrmacht into one of the most mobile and deadly forces of World War II. We start with the foundation of German logistics. Horse-drawn wagon. Simple. Silent. Everywhere. Germany depended heavily on horses for transport. Food, ammo, and fuel moved the old way. Heavy field wagon. Larger and stronger than standard carts. Carried bulk supplies over long distances. Essential for large formations. Infantry cart. Light and compact. Pulled by 1 or 2 horses. Perfect for frontline supply. Ammunition wagon. Built to carry shells and bullets. Constantly moving between depots and guns. A vital but vulnerable target. Field kitchen wagon. Mobile kitchen for soldiers. Hot food kept morale alive. Followed troops into every front. Water cart. Carried fresh water to troops. Critical in dry regions like North Africa. Kept units operational. Next, we move to light transport vehicles. Opel Blitz. The backbone of German logistics. Reliable, simple, and mass-produced. Used for troops, cargo, and conversions. Opel Blitz 4x4. All-wheel drive version. Handled mud and snow better. Perfect for Eastern Front. Mercedes-Benz L3000. Durable and powerful. Used for long-distance hauling. Trusted across all fronts. Mercedes-Benz LG 3000. All-wheel drive variant. Better off-road performance. Built for harsh conditions. Ford the 5th 3000S. German-built Ford truck. Simple mechanics made repairs easy. Widely used in supply convoys. Borgward B3000. Versatile medium truck. Used for cargo and special roles. Reliable but less common. Krupp L3H163. 3-axle heavy truck. Carried heavier loads. Older but still effective. Henschel 33. Heavy cargo truck. Strong and dependable. Used for artillery transport. Majoristeuts S3000. Air-cooled engine. Performed well in extreme climates. Reliable in Africa and Russia. Next, we move to light utility and mobility. Volkswagen Kübelwagen. Light, fast, and highly reliable. Excellent off-road capability. Used by officers and scouts. Volkswagen Type 82A. Staff car variant. Combined civilian comfort with military use. Used by high-ranking officers. Schwimmwagen. Amphibious vehicle. Could cross rivers without bridges. Ideal for reconnaissance. Steyr 1500A. Light staff car. Comfortable and versatile. Used for transport and command. Hawk 901. Heavy staff car. Powerful engine and all-wheel drive. Used by senior officers. BMW R75 motorcycle. Fast and agile. Sidecar carried equipment or troops. Perfect for dispatch missions. Zundap KS750 motorcycle. Heavy military bike. Excellent off-road performance. Reliable in harsh terrain. NSU 101 Hong Kong dollars Kettenkrad. Half-track motorcycle. Extremely maneuverable. Used for towing and communication. Next, we move to armored and track transport. Sd.Kfz 250 half-track. Light armored carrier. Used for reconnaissance units. Fast and flexible. Sd.Kfz 251 half-track. Standard armored personnel carrier. Carried infantry into combat. A symbol of mechanized warfare. Sd.Kfz 251-1. Basic troop carrier version. Transported infantry squads. Widely used on all fronts. Sd.Kfz 251-3. Communication variant. Equipped with radios. Command units relied on it. Sd.Kfz 251-7. Engineer version. Carried bridging equipment. Helped cross obstacles. Sd.Kfz 253. Command half-track. Used by officers for coordination. Mobile command center. Sd.Kfz 11. Medium half-track. Towed artillery and heavy loads. Balanced mobility and power. Sd.Kfz 10. Light half-track. Pulled light guns and supplies. Highly mobile. Sd.Kfz 7, heavy half-track, towed anti-aircraft guns, powerful and durable. Sd.Kfz 8, heavy tractor, used for very heavy artillery, handled extreme loads. Sd.Kfz 9 Farmor, largest German half-track, pulled tanks and heavy equipment, essential for recovery operations. Up next, specialized transport vehicles. Maltier half-track truck, hybrid design, truck front, tracked rear, perfect for mud and snow. Opel Blitz Maltier, converted from standard truck, improved mobility, used heavily on Eastern Front. Panzerwerfer 42, rocket launcher on half-track, combined mobility with firepower, also used for supply transport. Borgward 4, remote-controlled vehicle, used for demolition tasks, carried explosive charges. Goliath track mine, small remote vehicle, delivered explosives to targets, used for engineering missions. Next, fuel, medical, and support transport. Opel Blitz fuel truck, carried fuel to tanks, kept armored units moving, vital for fast offensives. Fuel tank trailers, extended range of vehicles, used in long convoys, essential for operations. Sd.Kfz 251 ambulance variant, armored medical vehicle, protected wounded during evacuation, used near front lines. Next, heavy logistics and recovery. Bergpanzer recovery vehicles, recovered damaged tanks, pulled heavy armor from battlefield, critical for maintenance. Strabokran 16 crane, mobile crane system, used for heavy lifting, assisted in repairs. Fornell 900 tractor, heavy-duty transport vehicle, moved large equipment, strong and reliable. Hanomag SS 100 tractor, used for aircraft towing, also moved heavy cargo, powerful engine,